Hi, I'm a dog. Loyal, playful, and always ready to be your friend.
Hi, I'm a cat. Curious, calm, and comfy in sunny windows.
Hi, I'm a lion, brave and strong, the calm king of the savannah.
Hi, I'm a tiger. Quiet stripes, quick steps, and sharp focus.
Hi, I'm an elephant, a gentle giant with a smart trunk and big heart.
Hi, I'm a monkey. Quick hands, quick mind, and playful swings.
Hi, I'm a giraffe. Tall neck, gentle eyes, and leafy snacks up high.
Hi, I'm a zebra. Black and white stripes and fast feet on open plains.
Hi, I'm a horse. Strong steps, calm eyes, and open trail energy.
Hi, I'm a rabbit. Soft ears, small hops, and crunchy carrots.
Hi, I'm a panda. Soft, round, and peaceful with bamboo dreams.